How to fix the user is banned from this guild on Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix the invite is invalid and the user is banned from the guild error. So this is an error some players encounter, so I'll walk you through a few steps to resolve it. So first of all, you need to go ahead and open your official Discord application, or you can also go to the Discord website, which is discord.com, and log into your account. Here you will find all your server, friend list, and so on. Now let's say someone is trying to invite you, but you keep getting the user is banned from this guild error. There are a couple of reasons why this error might appear. So looking at the post on the Discord support website, another user had also same issue and someone replied with a solution. So basically this usually happens because you have been banned from the server on another account. As you can see, it's possible if you have alternate accounts that have been banned from the server. So what you need to do is ensure that none of your accounts are banned from the server. And these are the IP bans linked to your IP address, and you're using the account from the same IP. So make sure that none of your accounts are banned, and if that does not work, you will need to use a different IP address, and you can either use a VPN or go to another PC or something similar to use a different IP. And then log in with your account, and you should be able to join the server since that account won't be banned on that IP. So that's basically what you need to do to get rid of this error. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.